Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI taking note platform, which is Notion and ClickUp. So to get started with a quick analysis about these two platforms, Notion in 2025 shines as a powerful, flexible workspace for note taking, project planning, and knowledge management. It's perfect for users who want to create custom dashboard, wikis, and database alongside their note. Its clean design, linked pages, and extensive templates make it easy to use for students, creators, and remote teams who value structured and customization. Then ClickUp, on the other hand, is a primarily project management tool, also offer a robust note-taking through its doc features. You can create meetings, note, do this list, and even embed tasks directly into your note. It's better suited for teams who want notes tied directly to their workflow, tasks, and go within a single productivity system. And here's a better conclusion about these two platforms to help you decide which of these will be a right one for you. So you can simply choose Notion if you want a flexible content-focused note taking app and that doubles all your knowledge up, or go with ClickUp if you need or your note is integrated with tightly a team project, task management, and timelines, and that's it.